welcome back to the channel, guys. As you know, Mark's not here, so obviously I'm here to bring you back the best content and car content you're looking for. This episode is special because it's sponsored by JDM Auto 247, hence the name JDM 24/7. Mark, I don't know what the fuck he's doing, but for sure he's not here, and we are actually working on his shit. So the reason why we are sponsoring this episode with JDM Auto 247 24/7 is because of Mark's black S15. Mark loves to give us stuff last minute, and hence why we are working on his car on the floor. My techs love it when he does this. Will, aren't you happy?
So happy.
Yep. But anyways, obviously we have a couple builds we're working on the lift, but JDM Auto 24/7 really hooked us up with these HKS Hypermax coilovers. So we will be installing this onto his S15, and obviously we're going to be putting some wheels on. I'm not going to show you yet until the whole entire suspension is in the car, but it is the first version of Mark's S15 build. So I will keep you guys in the loop. We already got one of the rears in, and we are currently working on the other side. We're gonna slam it low. I'm gonna slam this thing, and obviously when he first took delivery of this car, I noticed there's camber plates. We're gonna be cambering the hell out of it, and we're gonna be putting a set of wheels on this thing. And yeah, guys, let's see what happens, and I'll keep you guys in the loop. Obviously, Mark's a you-know-what. All right, guys, if you guys drive manual, I'll put you guys on. These fucking shoes, fuck. These Converses, they have like, I don't know which version these are, but they have like a thicker platform. It's money. But anyways, give me a little update. Both rears are in. Look at that shit. Fucking slam this motherfucker. You guys know what wheels we're gonna put on this shit? To be honest, I don't even know if they're gonna fit, but we'll see what happens. We'll show you the final. This is old suspension over here. I don't even know if this is aftermarket. Is this aftermarket? Is this old suspension aftermarket, Will? Oh shit. Well, a little fresh HKS Hypermax. I love how their springs are white. It's pretty fire. Straight from Godzilla's ass in Japan, y'all. This fucker needs a new fucking shroom, though. Let's see what he's doing. Little HKS coilover, little HKS intake. Will, would you mob this car?
I don't know.
Yeah. Me too. I can't believe he's gonna daily this shit. So Mark's in the medical field. Like, if I was a doctor and I saw that mother M. Night Shyamalan pulling up in a fucking S15, I'd be like, dude, I can't take this guy seriously. Yeah, I'd leave, right? I'm like, this guy's in the medical field, coming in right-hand drive. But sick ass car though. Update, I don't know if Mark told you guys, he sold his Tesla, so this is his new daily. Well, he also has a Jeepers Creepers truck. You gotta see him when he pulls up. He literally looks like a but anyways, look at that camber. We're trying to outdo Fresh Kick's fitment, I guess, but we'll see what happens. Look at that camber. We don't do alignment here, but I'm gonna have Will just max camber everything. It's probably gonna throw all his toe out, but at least it'll look tight for the time being until we dial it in. And now on to the fronts. All right, guys. I know you. I saw some comments that you guys really wanted to see my 911. I'm actually getting it washed right now, but we'll do an episode where I go over the whole build. I appreciate you guys liking it. It's one of my favorite cars, obviously. It's been a fun process. I've had this for almost 10 years now. But yeah, it's manual, 991C4S with a full cup conversion. And yeah, I'll do it in one episode. But for now, we're working on the S15. And finally, the not so chosen one is here. And he's looking like a fucking French little boy about to drink some fucking milk and shit. And he's a complete idiot because he's trying to talk to me about wheel fitment. So please explain what you're talking about.
Yeah. I basically said a lot of shit.
Yeah, a lot of shit. That's what he's full of. So, anyways, we're discussing about wheel fitment because Mark had a set of wheels he received for a GTR, obviously, because this motherfucker has like 30 of them now. But he was trying to fit the GTR wheels onto the S15, which are really sick wheels. And at this point, I was going to show you at the end of the episode what they were going to be, but once we put them on, we're just like, this shit isn't going to fit. But he's trying to explain offsets, and clearly he doesn't.
Well, just so you guys know, if you guys follow an S15 on IG, his name's Nathan, the yellow one, everybody knows that one. And then y'all know Fresh Kicks. They're all running, the best offset that based on both of their fitment is 9.5 plus 22. And that's what I had. I had the RIAs. Did you show them the RIAs?
No, not yet. I was going to show you guys the wheels.
It didn't fit because it had two 45-40s on there. You need two 25-40s and camber to make it fit. I don't have camber plates. I don't have any of that shit.
Yeah.
So give me that. What I wanted to do is just put on wheels with the coilover. That's basically it. So it just looks like a, we did wheels and suspension, but we just can't fucking, it just doesn't work. Yo guys, thanks for really just not skipping forward, even though when you see Ron on the screen in the first half of the video, like I would want to skip forward fast. But if those of you guys that stayed, I'll let them know that you guys actually care about them. Yo, I did want to give a shout out to DeAndre from JDM Auto 24/7 for not only sponsoring this video, but really helping out with the build. He's just a really nice, really cool guy to work with. And if you guys need any type of JDM products, just head over there. I believe he's in Japan. So going through him directly, especially while the yen is low, might be of interest, to see if he can hook you guys up. If you guys want to go as JDM as it gets, you got to shop in Japan. You know what I'm saying, Calvin, right? Will?
Yep.
You can't get any more JDM than shopping at JDM Auto in Japan. So I'm gonna recommend you guys do that. Any type of JDM parts that I need, I'm obviously gonna go through DeAndre. He really did hook it up, and it got here super fast, and it's really easy to work with. So shout outs to you, brother. Appreciate it. But I don't know how much Ron showcased, and I'm not willing to risk it and go home and find out. Because of that, I'm just gonna show this shit. These are the old coilovers. I had the Cuscos. The car came with Cuscos, but obviously I want to go with the new. I want to go with the HKS. That's kind of gonna be part of the theme for this video. So I went with the Hypermaxes. No camber adjustment on here, so I got to get like camber plates and shit like that, because I saw pictures of. What are you sucking on?
Why are you licking your lips?
I'm not. Why fuck? Why? How come you're not? How come you're about to deep throat that shit?
Guys, this guy just like fucking stroked the camera.
At least Ron knows what wheels he's gonna build me, right?
Here. Well, this guy just really wanted to put some wheels on his car, and he forgot how to mod cars.
It's been a minute. It's been a minute.
These older body cars, whether it's Ferrari, whether it's Nissan, like older model cars, there's humongous Fender fucking edges, and he was like, just slam the wheels. It would have literally broke his whole quarter panel. But we got to roll these before we put any type of wheels. So
We gotta call the homie.
All out dent, Shane. He's the shit. He's ranked number like 7 or 17. It has a 7 in it, but in the nation.
I'm number 6.
Number 6 of being the, you know what, biggest fucking blank. You guys know.
See, I knew.
What are you guys watching?
Yeah, there's an African guy speaking fucking Chinese.
He speaks better Chinese than Chinese people do.
But he's not.
You must fuck all the bitches out there.
I watched like 20 videos.
Anyway, guys, the car had the Cuscos, putting HKS on here. I'm just gonna slam this shit And now that I know that the 9.5 plus 22 is roughly the fit I'm gonna go for, I'm just gonna go ahead and get the wheels that I need. Ron's gonna build them real quick. It's gonna be something, here's a news flash. It's gonna be something I've done before. How about that? But I'm gonna do it over here. It's gonna be clean. And then I have my OEM R34 brakes for my Midnight Purple 2, front and rear. I'm just gonna swap those on there. So we'll do that too. Put the kit on, paint it. Not the whole car, but just get rid of all the shit, paint correction. And do some fucking bullshit on the turbo.
That's like if Mark fucking started speaking Mandarin. I'd be like, the fuck is happening?
The NER's back. And it's been washed. Nice and clean.
It's the Ebonics.
This is actually a sick fucking thing right here, bro. A black 34 and a fucking black S15 Spec R.
I got something else that's black for you.
What's that? Something in your ass? You know, it'd be a good idea if we take my LM face and put a two-piece BBS just to put it on.
This
real
guy.
quick.
So guys, I told him about that, and no, we're not gonna do it because you don't have tires, idiot.
I get tires right now.
I can make one in a 19 by 8.5 with a 1-inch lip. But
No, 18 single
Oh
step.
yeah, 18 by. Yeah, no shit, it's single step, but I could do it 18 by 8.5 with a 1-inch lip with your 245 tire, and it would look super lame.
Get tires. What if I get tires? Is everyone willing to stay until 1 a.m.?
Fuck this guy, dude. Someone hock a loogie in this little mushroom.
I got somewhere you could put that mushroom.
Yeah, fuck this guy's.
What would you do to a JDM car if you had one?
What are you talking about, bro? Fucking upgraded turbos in this bitch, you know? Fucking new intake. Badass air cooler. Sick ass front bumper. Little aero kit. SR20, you know, the shit, upgraded turbos. Fucking go ape shit, you know?
He's not wrong.
Fucking,
But the OEM turbo is good for like 320 wheel.
that's whack though. Like, the whole point with this fucking shit is fucking upgrade this shit.
But I don't know if I want to do the whole top mount single turbo thing on this.
But
I think
this
I
is
want to
what
do
these
the.
are known for. You're gonna do like a OE turbo setup?
No, you can do a turbo replacement down there. You can get a 71.
Top mount, it's supposed to be JDM. Show that shit.
But I want the whole engine bay black.
Okay, we'll fucking we'll powder coat it black.
You're gonna fucking build it for me? Well, I do have my ARC intercooler from the Supra that we can use on this for sure.
It fits.
We'll make it fit. Just the intercooler.
Well, you got this.
Well, can we do that too today?
I got my AirPods in. I can hear you.
Oh, okay. Well, you're a lip syncer then, motherfucker? You understand my lips?
Yeah, there's no fucking AirPods in, bro.
Oh, well. Yeah, that shit's at home anyways.
Well, shit, man. I think you got some extra baggage in the back.
Oh, shit. Konnichiwa. Oh, you like dicks? Alright guys, you know how the M spec is Mark spec. The spec R is Ron spec. This is spec Ron, right? It just slammed with the stock wheels. Oh yeah! My shit slammed, dog. Turn it around, let it face that way. You gonna drift it?
Not here.
Can you give us a little drift?
Shit.
Hey, can you give us a little drift?
Looks like DK. DK slash.
On the black white beetle.
This is a big.
That's good. It looks better. Sick.
It's too low. I gotta fucking.
Nah, just angle the fuck out of it. That's what it's made for. That's sick.
I like that.
That was sick, right?
See how serious this face got?
Now we just start doing figure eights.
He's gonna say, yo, that shit's fun, watch. You guys wanted to meet DK, but this one stands for Donkey Kong. He's a Donkey Kong drift kick.
Shit.
So, how's the car?
That's cool.
Is it easy to drive?
Right.
You look cool doing it, man.
I am cool. Dude, I got stuck. The light's broken. And those fucking two cops circling me and shit.
Hey, what do you guys think of Ron's driving?
Damn, look at this 911 though.
Oh shit, you got the fake stuff? This is the thing, right? You're talking about it.
Suck my fucking balls.
Well, let's go take a look at the S15 lowered. This is it, guys. Ron's drift machine. It's just lowered. But it looks good. Day and night difference. Just a clean, stock, spec R slammed. Needs wheels and the brakes. Very clean. Thanks for tuning in. I'd like to once again thank you to JDM Auto 24/7 for getting the car to sit right. Obviously, we tested it right away. Stock wheels, stock tires, who gives a shit? And please, if you guys can, subscribe to your boy. Subscribe to the channel. Seriously, let's get to 100K. Let's get to the road to 100K. I want that plaque. I'll make a cool video for the plaque for everybody, for all of us. And tune in for the next episode. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.